it's Mari Lane from the Buying Space channel. Today I'm doing a raw unboxing from someone who might sell on eBay. But I bought this at auction on Auctions for You on YouTube. And the lady's name that has this channel, his name's T. And she sells individual items, but she also is known to buy a storage unit and sell things in bulk. It's kind of, I would say, is in between. But she did a little surprise on all of us when she was auctioning this off. After she was done, I won the item, and then she had more. She's like, wait, there's more. Actually, she didn't say that, but there was more. And she had two more just like it. And it contained the same amount of things that are inside of this item, which we will get to in a minute. I promise. But the other winners that won the other two items that are a lot like this one were Dawn at Two Hit Chicks, which is Dawn and Mary's channel. And they have lives on Tuesday and Thursday at noon. And that's TOO Hip Chicks, written all as one word. And the secondary, or the third winner, was Connie at Connie and Things. And Connie and Things, Connie is on T and the other auction channels a lot. Because I think it's books and things. She sells a lot of books. But she's getting out of books because they're heavy. But she auctions off some wonderful things. Matter of fact, I had purchased a lot of books for her this past summer. And I gave them to my brother and sister-in-law, some of them, for their wedding anniversary. One of which was a completely blank journal book. There were 3 completely blank journal books. And they, one of the years for the blank journal book was the anniversary of my brother and sister-in-law's year. Which my sister-in-law was thrilled with, because then she could make like scrapbook entries, make it like a junk journal for the year that she got married, with her wedding memorabilia. Not giving up on this package. Oh, and I should say that, speaking of never giving up, this background music I play in my videos all the time is by my cousin, Mark Dolan, who has given me permission to use his music on my videos, which is wonderful. He's quite the talent. Okay, I'm almost getting there. What could it be? Yes, I absolutely know what's in here. Oh, okay. That side's already broken. So, oh my goodness, the anticipation. Okay. Okay, here we go. I can see bubble wrap. Oh, this was so cute when she held it up the first time. She's like, at first she called it leather. And she's like, no, it's not leather. It's probably vinyl. Which is kind of funny, because this case, this vinyl case, holds vinyl. Yep. Okay, I like the way she wrapped this. Oh my goodness, there are 2 stacks in here. Put bubble wrap in the bottom, protect it. You know what? I'm just going to leave that in there. Okay. She put cardboard on each side, protect each one. And there's a lot in here. See if this is going to focus. I know why. And this is Hermits. Yeah, I'm going to take a bubble wrap out. Okay. I am so thrilled. Oh my gosh. Johnny Rivers. Okay. Wow, this one was well loved. Don't know why. Honestly don't. The Little Man in Chinatown. Mama, don't cry at my wedding. Oh, that'd be hard to do. He can come back anytime he wants to. That is not a true statement in my household. No, he can't come back. Okay. My man. So if you're watching this, you can't come back. One Night in Bangkok by Murray Head. You can do it to me anytime. I'm a man. There's a lot of stuff in here about men. Don't know how that happened. The doggy in the window. Oh my goodness, that's funny. Here we go. Daddy-o. Oh my goodness. I'm forever blowing bubbles. Oh, this is too much fun. Okay. Mark, that sounds like a stalker song. I'll never leave you alone. I mean, really. Oh, please call my name. Oh, dear. Chopping up Chopin. Poor Chopin. Oh, gosh. I agree. Oh, gosh. I think I need a tissue. Oh. I gotta have you. Yeah, that's how it starts. Okay, here we go. Once Upon a Tune by Victor. And Led Zeppelin. All right. Love Led Zeppelin. Back in the day, I had the Stairway to Heaven album. Okay. War. Go out into the rain. Mighty Quinn. In the Mission of St. Augustine. Well, this is old. I wonder if it's, oh, it's swing. Okay. I've been down to St. Augustine, one of the oldest cities in the continental United States. Spent some time down there. I took a picture of a church down there and won a photo contest. I'm in some photo books somewhere with that photo. Actually didn't buy the book. The Happy Organ. The Voice Inside, Patty Page. Mighty Cold. Elvis Presley. That's the one I was looking for. This is with the Jordanaires. Long-legged girls. Yeah, I need a cleaner. That's the first one I pulled out. They all do need to be cleaned, but they're precious, just precious. This, like, the history. Oh, this one looks really nice. Merry, Merry Christmas to you, Art Mooney and his orchestra. Hello, Sonny and Cher. Now, I used to watch their show back in the day. They were hilarious. Sleep, Les Paul. I always wondered where more Paul was, but you're such a beautiful child. Just for old time's sake. Not happening anymore. Round 2 is usually not any better than round 1. Just saying. People gonna talk. Oh, yes, they do. I'll be home. It's a good pandemic song. It's like, we're all home. Okay. Hot Foot Shuffle. Don't think I've ever heard that one. Maybe I have. Sometimes you hear a lot of songs and you just don't remember the titles. But when you hear it play, you're like, oh yeah, I remember that. I Belong to You. Have to play that one for Jesus. Let's see. Language of Love. Purple Shades. Oh my goodness, this thing's getting full. What is happy? Good question. What is happy? You're all I need to get by. Aretha Franklin. Yes. There's a soulful voice in person. Suspicious Minds. Oh yeah, I've heard that. I used to be friends with the people in a top 40 band called, and ironically enough, they were called Backstreet, but not the Backstreet. Since I don't have you. Oh, and here's, okay, got 2 more. Why, baby, why? And the finale single here is My Devotion. But every one of these has a flip side. So there may be a part 2. Because this one has I'm Waiting for You on this side. On the back of Why Baby Why. So there will be more to come. There is much, much more to the story. And there always is. No matter what you think about someone or what the situation is, there is always more to tell. There's always another way to look at things. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more unboxing videos from me, all you have to do is hit that subscribe button, and over on the bell, if you click it, it gives you 3 choices, and the top choice is all. And if you click all, every time I do a video, you will get a notice. I promise. Or YouTube promises. But anyway, that's a whole nother video. Have a good day.